You cannot put peanut butter on carrots.
Yes, you can.
It is delicious.
It's amazing.
It's awesome.
It's amazing.
Carrots and peanut butter?
That was my dinner one day.
It's
You've
amazing.
never done that?
No, I'm normal.
No, try it.
You have to put it on celery too.
Well, yeah, celery, but not carrot. I don't need it.
Amazing on carrots.
It is good.
Maybe we should go ask for some peanut butter.
Yeah, let's go buy some peanut butter.
Let's do activity 4.
I don't like activity 4 though.
I'll give you a cookie for a
Young people, knife. It is sharp.
pampered chef
fake.
knife.
That's typically what
Oh,
knives.
Is it a
not
pampered
fake.
chef knife?
No, it is a Paula Deen.
Oh, that's fake. I thought it was.
I didn't let him bring my pampered chef knife.
Yeah, my mom wouldn't either.
She would have freaked out.
Go, 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 go.
It doesn't even accept me.
Yeah, it might not accept you. Yes. Activity 4 must be completed first today.
Time out.
Yes.
Can we do this as a group or
Activity 4 must be completed first today.
We're going to eat a carrot, and we have another plant. My plant back there that we're done with because it sends. Yes, ma'am. It's still alive.
Did any of you grow a taproot when you had your biomes?
No, exactly. You got carrots.
I understand that. Did any of you grow one?
No.
Yes.
One was a radish. Well, I didn't grow it because it didn't grow. But I planted one that may have had a taproot. Hey.
Are there what?
We'll count
I have colored
as
pencils.
alive for
Yep.
this activity.
Trevor, Mason, can I use that?
We're counting this as alive for. Oh, we need clothing. And colored pencils.
Congratulations. Yay, Daniel.
I'm a genius, Miss Schneider. Accept it.
No.
You have to wear this kind?
Grab me
I have colored pencils.
Daniel, grab me
Don't have one home.
I can never tie these now.
Are you gonna run home or drive home? I want to actually see her try to run home.
There should be colored pencils in that bottom drawer.
Or there she has some.
Yes. Or you can put them back there and compare them around.
with them on last time. Balls. Hey, Paige. Might be 2 years, Mr. Schneider.
Carrots and a knife. Who knows?
Miss Schneider doesn't remember things.
What's that?
Nothing.
Exactly.
Do you have a cutting board or do you want to just cut on
Those tables are designed for that.
Sweet. They're huge cutting boards.
They're also pretty much
Jamin, I want you to join the ladies today for this first activity.
May I please go to the lunchroom?
Why?
Get you some peanut butter. You're gonna need it.
these tables are put in
Can I
here.
go to my house?
Summer before.
Can I go to my house?
I want you to join the ladies.
Do you have any good carrot?
Just go join them.
Carrot. Get two.
I can turn my own.
Get two. Put it in half before you bring
You'll
it.
sit with.
I'll go get the paper and the colored pencils.
I get the current.
Okay.
They're going to do the
You know what to do? All right.
Yeah, it won't go anywhere.
How many carrots do we need? Just one?
Yeah, but
Did you read the lab?
Yeah.
Mason, you
I-
have not read
I
the
read
lab.
the instructions.
Mason, then why are you asking me?
All right.
Mrs. Schneider,
Yeah.
where is a hand lens?
Okay.
Mr. Schneider put them away the other day. I'm not certain.
I know where they are.
Hand lens.
Don't touch those
Right here.
two carrots already out, please. They're pages.
It doesn't say how many colored pencils. So.
I'm too short.
Daniel.
Five.
There you go. Oh my goodness, they're being touched all over the place.
You
Oh!
people! I said please!
I'll even take a
But
bite
we
out
don't
of it.
listen to pages.
Pages yelling.
Let's all say congratulations to Daniel.
No!
I hate all you.
Congratulations.
Which
I hate all you.
Isabel.
I hope you heard it.
In the hallway and grab some.
Peanut butter?
I got 2 carrots.
Or you know what?
I wanted to.
Mr. Schneider, I recommend you try carrots and peanut butter when you get home.
I won't.
I recommend you
Where
guys
did you
don't
get
eat
that?
carrots.
Mr.
Wherever
Schneider.
he said they were.
Thanks.
Come on, Paige.
Yeah, the in the drawers.
I don't want to do it the wrong way, okay?
Make sure you are not going to hurt yourself.
Found one.
I got one.
Oh my gosh. I don't want that one. I want this one.
Where's our niece?
Remember to document everything.
Oh,
Yeah, need to stop. I can't reach him for you. Daniel, would you reach up and get him a thingy, apron?
Hunter goes, I need my buck
Dude,
knife.
no. Yeah, I need my buck knife.
And I said, we need one of those bone knives.
Back in the days when you could still carry a knife in school.
That is.
Didn't Carrie and Hank come to school one day with
No, I'm not done.
Yeah. Damn, I can come faster than her.
Careful.
Stop fighting over knives. That's dangerous.
You are gonna hurt yourself.
Trevor, are you gonna
I believe it.
I don't understand how, but okay.
He's doing fine.
Every knife she uses, she
I don't care.
After we're done, we can.
Absolutely.
Oh yes. Can I go get some peanut butter?
No.
There's some
You can't
peanut butter
eat.
in
They
a
can
lab
watch
though.
it.
I should have brought my milk cup.
You gotta go to the store.
Oh, I love those.
Me
too.
Well,
we have some of those.
I know you
have because it's too much. Hey, she's not done with it yet. Don't you?
Yes.
Paige has a knife that's dangerous to all.
Mrs.
She
Schneider
also
wants a
doesn't
knife,
have her
not
hair
us.
tied back.
Paige though, peanut special.
Mrs.
Just
Schneider
now?
said we could. Did you say why did you let me cut this?
Why would you do that?
Mr. Schneider, Paige is a dangerous wall.
I'm already slap you.
slap him? Do it. No balls.
Mr. Schneider brought some paper in for you.
I think Paige was about ready to slap somebody when she walked in.
Do you have some? Yeah, she's been
I
about ready
think
to
I
slap
wonder how
someone
long I
since she
should
got
keep going
to
before
school.
she actually tries to start.
Erica?
Carries out the threat.
I don't know.
I'll test it.
That's what I just told her.
You're just gonna get it.
He's gonna get it.
She can't hit that hard anyway.
Hey, you're gonna have to start your hair back.
There's something wrong with this narrative.
Documents.
Where'd Alex go? Oh,
What was I coming back
more.
for?
Change the angle.
You need
No,
one
the
of these
knife,
goggles.
curved. It's weird.
Give it a little rock.
Hey guys.
Yeah, I was gonna
Yes,
say,
ma'am.
those types of
I got
things
plans.
need to be rocked.
Do not
What?
put your fingers in
Listen
there.
to me.
That one.
You have no control over
Yeah.
He must.
Are they roots? Yeah, they're
Once you can get out here, you can use
Good
a
enough.
knife like this.
That'll do.
It'll work.
Yeah?
Ask my fingers.
We have carrot insurance.
This isn't happening.
Yeah, Hunter can light water on. All we need to do is look at the grain.
You're grinding through. You're trying to slide
Come here,
it.
Jalen.
Document everything. When I look in your lab notebook, I should be able to find and see
And
everything.
this is activity 4, right?
Ladies, Jamin's gonna come help you.
Oh no, Paige.
This lab.
Okay.
What the hell?
Roll it through.
I'm used to a different knife when you push it on me. Isabel!
What? I was gonna tell you.
Chair!
I'm
You're
sorry.
lying.
Where is young Mr. Parker?
I'll stay.
Oh,
So
that's
it's Tracy. If I stop, please tell me.
I
I
called it just this.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
You're gonna get Sheriff Parker.
You're good.
Yes.
Oh, I
so
know.
it doesn't see.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was like, why would you ask Alex? He seems the most capable.
Yeah, he's got it.
Jay, man.
Very well.
What are you doing?
Even got his hand on the back of the neck.
15.
So what do we need?
Alex, you got the second carrot then? Yeah.
What's so bad about it? All you need to do is look at the grains.
Okay, you did that one fine, but the other one is
I need it.
It's still grains.
Come over here.
Wait, you said we can only have a red or a black. Darn it.
we can't have another carrot, right?
Why?
Hunter slaughtered it.
cut through
Slaughtered it how?
the middle.
He cut it, and then he cut it this way, and then he cut it this way.
I think it's fine, but you know,
That
Make
one,
it work.
that one's okay.
Make it
but
work.
That one's
See what happens.
completely screwed.
I think it's fine. I got an idea.
Okay.
Duct tape.
Taylor, grab some tape.
So we need to get through all this.
You're gonna tape it again.
Yeah.
We're gonna fix your mistake. It's just gonna be worse now.
So we're just,
Cut it in half. Alright.
I agree with Hunter, that will be worse.
Because that one will end up like this one.
Exactly. But it'll at least be down the middle. I hate pain.
It don't matter.
Ask Mr. Schneider.
When we need the tape, we're gonna move this little piece into that piece and turn this one big piece. That's done.
Where does the part where it gets up higher? That's the middle.
No, it's like look at that, Taylor.
It doesn't say exactly how many colors.
Perfectly sliced down the middle.
Correct.
no, they don't.
You gotta get the clear tape.
This is fine.
How's that?
It'll work.
Scientists use
Take
clear
it from
tape.
the exposure ruts. Because it's dirt hard.
Scientists clearly use clear tapes when they're cutting carrots.
Actually, Alex. Did you fix that, Riley's?
I would think orange duct tape would be ideal for taking
Jamie,
care
we
of
should be
it.
talking out loud.
Or hunting.
We're examining.
I forgot that I have a beard right
Pheasants only.
Yeah, that's true.
Not done.
Pheasants and deer.
You
The
don't
best
wear
hunting is a
orange.
bow hunt.
No.
You're required to wear
But
one.
it
And Mr.
says
Snyder,
samples
I
of
just,
different
I called the ranger.
colors.
Bow, oh, rifle yes, bow not.
There you go.
You only have, you don't have to wear all orange, you only have to have one of the clothes.
Not all.
40 inches. Or is it just one item?
Yeah.
Doesn't stick to wet.
I've even been told you can wear a hat and then put a
Sure,
hat
I
over
don't
it,
think it's
like an orange baseball cap, and then pull a stocking cap over the top.
paper.
As long as some part of it orange is sticking out, you're okay, but
Mr. Schneider, you said you went to go get paper.
Depends, also depends on what kind of hunting you're doing. If you're sitting there and you're blind, one
Well,
little
let me
thing,
see.
you don't know it's the person. But if you're moving around,
You don't need to look that close.
Where's the paper? Thank you, Gary.
I don't know where you put. Oh, you put it up there on top of the thingy.
So then you would
Yeah,
want to
make
wear a
sure
vest
it's-
and a hat.
I put
It's weird.
So everything from here up is orange.
If you see an orange spot in tall and tree, I don't think you're gonna think that's a deer. Especially with you.
I don't know how
Or you
If-
want
Oh, there we go.
If you do, you have a problem with your eyesight or a problem.
Turn loud.
So I don't think deer are orange or can climb trees. Mr. Schneider,
I've seen a deer climb a tree.
You know why Mexicans
What?
down hunt actually don't? I highly doubt that. They don't habanero.
This isn't the same
Is that?
Yes, it is.
Why you don't habanero?
11 by
Somebody's been on the Mexican Word of the Day website.
And
I followed an account on Twitter and that's hilarious.
when am I not on that website?
Yes, it is 8.5 by 11.
Mr. Schneider, did you just take a picture?
I
of
did.
my glasses?
I did.
Am I gonna be famous?
By 11.
Okay, we also need
Hey, hey,
samples of
hey.
different plants, so.
I want one of those
No.
Okay.
Yeah, if we were on time to grab one. Yeah, we need multiple sizes. We have 2 carrots. And then we need
Oh, yeah.
I'm really drawing right now.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yep. The date. Oh, the date is the 14th. So put instead of 13th. I'm done.
These are, carrots are fibrous, right?
No.
Did I ask you, Paige? No, carrots not fibrous. Congratulations. That's fibrous. These little tiny fibers.
Do you think that's charged enough, honey? We can move.
I think it probably is, yeah.
I don't
Jamie,
think
what are you
so.
doing? Put-
Jamie, no, don't change that.
Dude, do I want these ones or no?
Daniel,
Grab me a different brand.
congratulations.
Yes. He just scribbled out
I
the.
don't like these ones here.
There's some guys in the back here that are
Do I like them or no?
questionable.
Well,
Hiya.
I like them.
But these don't have roots.
I gotta be like
Hard to
smiling.
have
So old love.
My eyes ain't rosy to this,
Isabella's over here on the side a little bit, and he's just hiding.
Mr. Schneider, can I have a position?
Nope, Trevor.
Trevor, Mason. Mason?
Can I have a scoot
Trevor, hold
to
this.
go down to the grass and take grass?
Yes.
Left and the top. Scoops
No, Daniel.
in a
No.
plastic bag. Perfect.
Does anybody else need grass?
not really.
I like grass. Grass is cool.
Yeah.
Yes, Daniel. You get us some grass.
It's fucking water.
Cool.
Do you guys need grass?
Yes.
Do you guys need grass?
Read to me what it's about.
Okay, we need a little detective.
What is this?
And
Drawer number 2.
okay, is that a microscope?
I will be back in a while.
I will go help Daniel.
I'll go help you.
Getting grass for our second fire.
Hey, we got the last one.
Number 1.
Is it a square
Yeah,
one?
see, several times
Where?
the plants
Square.
examined themselves. So, leave that.
Microscope.
Wherever it is. Yes,
Yeah.
Dude, we can all have one.
I suppose we should do this on the paper so we can see.
Put it on the paper. So whammy.
Where's the plug-in?
I need the chair. Can I take this chair?
I'm examining the carrots.
Yeah. Did you
Keep it like that.
do you have colored pencils somewhere? That bottom drawer right there. I don't know if there's any.
There are colored pencils up here on the counter.
Got it.
And Mr. Schneider thinks there's some downstairs in the, yes. Down that container, yep.
The downstairs.
The downstairs of that container.
Steven, can I have my firm thing so I can finish writing in it?
How do they get really small carrots out of really big carrots?
Not many, but I'll take
They're like pretty around.
I need it. Huh? Yeah?
Details.
There's a lot of carrot on them.
Oh, really?
There's a chance that. Hang on,
So, what do we call this?
Are
The
the wings?
fibrous root plant?
Yes, I believe
Wow.
Okay, stop snap.
It's very annoying.
Who's that dude?
Does Eric just do its own Snapchat?
Oh, I don't like these. They make everything dark and I can't see anything.
Why can't we just do it in black and white?
Are you looking at the hand?
Are we allowed?
There we go.
Alright.
Use black and white?
What else do you, what
Color
else,
Oh, this is so much better.
what else about the
Says
fibers?
colored pencils, right here close to your eye.
Look at this.
This is a waste.
And see if in your lab notebook you can like draw what you're
Spread
seeing.
out.
Do it.
Close.
Good down there, man.
Spread out.
You're using
Spread out,
it.
yeah.
Use your red then.
That's
That's pretty dang close. Was there any in there? You can mix them.
That is, I
So
can
first you have to
zoom
put the
so
yellow
hard
and then you have to
with,
add brown.
red.
Oh, that's small one.
I'm a genius.
Crayons.
It says colored pencils.
There was colored pencils in that tub of crayons. At one point.
Yes. We need to measure it.
Eat it.
No, I can't eat a carrot. Just I don't yell at me.
Oh man.
Mason, I think we actually do need to measure. Find a measuring.
Are the measuring thing? Oh,
You know what, this is making-
How does this work?
Mr. Stryker, do you have any really like small rulers, not like the big?
That explains.
How do you make
Millimeters.
No.
One of the exact opposite side of
Yes, ma'am.
There you go.
Mr. Schneider.
The open one or the pull one?
the pull one.
Lab.
Way at the bottom. Nope, way at the bottom. Way at the bottom. Way at the bottom. There you go. If they're not in there, then they're in that bottom drawer over there. But there should be 12-inch rulers in there.
What are these for?
How is that?
I don't know. Ninth grade, I think.
Do you mean like the open doors or pull
Yes.
doors?
Damn Grand Canyon.
All the way at the bottom.
What are you seeing?
Nope.
I don't say anything.
All the way down by your ankles.
No, well,
Oh, that one.
yeah, that door.
What are we looking for?
Rulers.
Rulers.
Why do you get any carrots?
I'm old. If I die from it,
I think.
I'm gonna grab one and eat it.
no, eat yours.
We can't.
need it.
We
And
need
she
it.
moved them.
When you're done with it.
Okay.
Can I eat one now?
Mr.
You
Schneider.
can actually eat them?
Yeah.
I call one.
Ooh. I'll take the clear one, not the purple one, the clear one.
Yes.
A
The clear one would be good.
dollar bill is 6 inches.
Okay.
Wait, long or wide?
What about a $5 bill?
Well, it's a fair question.
Mason, have you ever seen a dollar bill in your whole entire life?
Can you get us some breath, Steven?
What's money?
I pull one off, and I got the whole sheet coming up, and it's like, oh shoot.
There's no way to measure that.
Where?
Right next to
Go. Less than an
Be quiet, Miss Snyder.
So the roots are less than the roots are less.
That one. Smaller than the.
I got an idea.
That's
think it's a
Call it mega zoom.
It's an MM, a millimeter.
This is a
A millimeter is liquid.
Actually, no, it's not because if everyone on your paper
I got grass.
I got lots of grass.
Pretty sure it's not the
Whoa,
long
whoa,
way,
whoa.
Trevor.
that'd be a.
That was once you get done while I was
First
on
vowel.
grass.
How many consonants behind
I
it?
do that.
That's a syllable.
She does lie. She lies.
Where'd our other plans go? Mr. Schneider!
Oh, I get what you're saying. I was
Here's some grass.
I was more worried about your content. Is your content correct?
There's
What is it?
A plant.
Pull deals. Pull seals.
What does it look like? Tell her.
Mr. Schneider, you lie. It's over 6 inches.
Where'd you get that dollar?
She lies to us.
About what?
It's over 6 inches.
No, they're supposed to be 6 inches.
Liar.
This one is over 6 inches.
Lies.
Show me.
Maybe you have a fake dollar bill.
You sit on the
I don't
lies.
pay my dollar bills. Trust me.
Trevor, use the
Someone
one.
else has printed it.
This is the one.
See, it's over 6 inches. Nice.
You ready?
You prove Mr. Schneider wrong.
Go through your words.
Number one.
What? So do
They're
this.
all that way.
Measure this, right?
Want to make sure you get a short vowel.
So if you measure it up to without this line, without this border, then it's 6 inches.
Wait, are you talking about in the border or the whole dog?
But it's uneven.
Yep.
So what? That's why this is border.
It jumped a little. It jumped a little. This is the swale.
That's still not 6
Well,
inches.
Mr. Schneider,
No, I-
Mr. Schneider,
no.
please
So
do
you
it.
measure,
You can count.
you know that from this end to this border.
Yeah.
Okay, now we need to describe
Go on
these
again.
some details.
You can kind of see it.
Don't include this border, so you know.
This is the
6 inches.
Oh, okay.
Darn it, she proved us wrong.
No, it's still, you're right on the, it's a little more than 6.
So,
So you look like the guy in the 5
wait, are we done with this plant thing?
Great.
No, we're not. We're
Let's
just.
look at this plant and then measure the carrots after that.
Since he got shot. Forward.
Was Daniel back with the grass?
Yeah.
Did you get us grass?
Yeah.
We have the plant we grew. What plant?
Can we have it?
The bean plants, or the plants that are in my biome.
I'm sorry.
Go in there, you know?
But details kill people.
It was
Can we have some grass?
Yeah, it's over there.
I cut off all the leaves yesterday.
Why would you do that?
Because what I was doing told me to.
We're looking for an Alex.
Where did all you call that?
People have them
Put
out.
grass right there. Page. I said call
What?
compost.
You are not working on what you should
What
be
did I
doing.
do?
They're looking for the eagle.
You.
That's where I
You
was
won't
headed.
tell me
Is this their last class period to work on this?
Yes.
You might want to remember this is
All
your
right.
last class period to work on this.
On this one or everything?
Everything is due on Tuesday, but you
I'm
don't get
writing it all
Tuesday's
down.
class to work on it.
It's due at the beginning of class on Tuesday.
But how are we supposed to do this
Everything
stuff
you
at our
don't finish in
house?
class is
And
homework.
then we have grass too,
You
right?
guys got supplies.
You have time here now.
I have no
Yeah,
idea
but we're
what
not
that
gonna
is.
get
We have 11
I think
activities we have to
unidentified.
I think it's a bean
Did you
plant.
make a
I'm
plan?
not for sure.
No, because I
Mr.
thought we
Schneider.
had
Well, this one is the unidentified fibrous
I
root.
put it as fiber root plant, and then I put that as grass. And that as carrots. So, next page.
Draw an example from each of the groups.
What mean?
So like on number 1 it says, examine that stuff with a magnifying glass, identify
Daniel.
roots,
Yeah.
pairs, divide
How good are you at pulling out roots?
Bailey, do you have a there's roots there?
Did you do that?
But there's not many.
Yeah, there's roots there.
Okay, let's start.
Alright, let's get to work.
Yeah, just
So,
Not to mention collaboration is your friend.
actually easier to
Collaborate.
do.
Should we split up into different?
Daniel, you're
groups?
asking me.
We should split up into like different groups, one person on each activity.
Really? I'll finish working on the. Oh, get to work. Right there. That is getting to work.
Yeah.
Won't even work. So you hate us,
Women.
Miss
I
Schneider.
don't hate you.
Yes, you
What
do.
does that even
ready,
mean?
ready, hut. Ah,
Why
women.
are we throwing things?
Because I told her to catch it, I said cut.
No,
I said she wasn't catch it, but
You're in
but she's a
and
woman,
out.
so she, of course she didn't catch it. Ah, oh,
No horseplay.
Belle, what do you
I don't recall you.
Yeah. I don't know.
How do we even draw this?
style?
You're doing something on the
I
left
love that
side.
answer with style.
That's what you're supposed to do. You're
Yeah,
supposed
just
to
with
draw
the draw,
on the left
just with the
side.
draw on the left side.
Oh. I do that.
Yeah,
How does that?
Shut up.
make it a bow.
Yeah, just shut up.
That made it work.
What do you think of our boots?
You cut that one pretty good.
Kinda like-
No, that one you cut really good. That one was like. Yeah.
Yeah, this one was cut nice. That one, not so much.
Under one
Hey, this is better than hundreds. That one's 5 minutes.
You're the one that says his jeans.
What if you already have drawings of that pant?
Your pants are too small.
Then just say refer to page, blah, blah, blah.
If his pants are too small.
Suck the bluey.
What?
If his pants are too
Yeah,
small.
you are giving them illogical.
Dude, stop eating our carrot.
It's good.
We need
You
that.
really eat the carrot?
I ate part of it.
Oh my god.
See if there's a little bubble here.
Oh, we should just do that.
Wow.
Fiber.
You're not supposed to eat these apples.
Carrots are good
I
though.
see that.
That cover up. Fibers have a
But it's good.
You can't put that back in there.
Can I eat it then?
Strands.
What did I do? Fine.
Just gotta hold it in your hand.
Yeah, I'll hold it in my hand.
Can we like hold up a pen?
I didn't think you even know what that is.
Looks like
that.
Oh, that's the river.
Yep.
I've seen that before down in Pierce.
It's the Flat Winter Bridge.
What?
Because all that.
Drove into last Friday.
all
What
the fog
happened?
And that water.
Fog.
What happened?
You like literally can't see
Okay,
anything
looks like that.
by the water.
I already do that.
Looks like you're driving into a black hole.
Okay.
That's
refer to
awesome.
page, whatever. Page
What is it? What is it be? What is that?
Did you die? Did you fall off?
I did not fall off the earth.
It feels like it though.
This is not turning orange.
Back farther, it
More
was,
yellow.
you can tell what it is.
I couldn't tell up that close
What do
tonight.
we know about the grass?
Fabric to the wall.
That was a road over
This is
there.
grass.
Here, too.
Why bloom?
Okay, label and taproot or fiber.
Then I can turn off the window.
You're the bird.
No! No!
Water.
There is none.
And then I took one on the other side.
We don't have time to finish everything. We don't have
Do you have a plan?
Yes,
Did you work on this yesterday?
No. We weren't, we couldn't come in here.
Why couldn't you?
Because we have
So?
other classes. Yeah, we have other
You
classes.
do, you have SRBs
Oh,
as
also-
well.
Yeah, but we have
They're
other classes
lighter
that
than
don't
the-
have math.
Should I tell them my theory on
Yeah,
making
but
sure that
they're-
everything else gets done before my classes?
Yep.
Tough.
But some of us didn't have SRB. We had band and music.
Yes, but that's why you plan.
Yeah.
And you're spending time now worrying about it, talking
I have
about
an
it.
idea, we should, the group should split and each take a different activity.
Unidentified what?
And then what are you gonna get out of activity 5?
Unidentified plan.
What are you gonna
And
get out
then we
of all
all
the
just look
activities?
at them afterwards.
No.
I hate you, so. I don't care, just tick me off.
Daniel, what if she thinks that?
Mrs. Collar did say you're not
She
here
won't.
today.
How do you know?
Daniel just told me.
What if she goes home
Daniel
and
just told
cries
Mrs.
after
Schneider that he
class?
hates her.
No, but at conferences I will mention it to his mother.
Oh. She knows.
She knows that you tell your teachers that you hate them?
Oh.
I'm pretty sure that your mother would say that's disrespectful.
I'm sorry, Miss Schneider.
No, you're not.
He's just trying to get. He's just trying to sell
My
them
mom
down.
knows.
Daniel, you're a liar.
My mom knows all this, so.
Wait, I'm labeling these. Write down that I labeled these.
Alright.
It's about label.
It's Isabel labeled thing.
Do you have a letter
Oh,
taken?
Carrot 1.
We have it so I can like write it.
Another one? We can just make the carrots if we already have to, can't we?
Not that hater. Yes, they do. Second.
Oh well.
It's things like.
Do you guys only have carrots or do they give you other plants?
I don't believe it.
No, we found other plants.
We got one plant out of my
Hey, tell them, write down that we took, that this grass is from outside. Grass.
grass from outside.
Yes.
Grass from outside where?
Daniel, where'd you get the grass?
On the north side of the building, In the shade by the metal staircase.
Metal staircase isn't on the north side of the building.
Oh, is it not?
He's talking about that one. Over there.
Yeah,
It's
over
not
there.
the
Northwest
side
side
of
of
the
the
building.
building.
It's that side.
That's north, isn't it?
That's north, isn't it?
Yeah, but the thing
No.
is facing west.
Wait,
South.
time out.
Facing west.
Time out.
Coruscant is north of Armor, people.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
north
that
is
was
that
north.
way.
Yeah, that's north.
That was
You,
north.
where's the north side of the building, Daniel?
That way.
On the others, like in between Costers and the school.
Yeah.
Is that where you took it?
Yes. Kind of.
No,
like,
we took
right
it
by,
on
Kind of
west.
doesn't work.
right by
Like right upstairs.
the metal
The
staircase.
fire escape right here.
Yeah.
It's
That's
not on the north
attached
side
to
of the
which
building.
side of the building?
Northwest.
No.
Close to northwest.
Northeast.
Northwest is a corner. That's like a
Northeast,
quarter of an inch.
because north is slightly that way.
Let's go grab our own grass.
I'm
It's either the
confused.
north
How
or
is
the
that
west.
not north?
No,
Sure.
because the north is
Daniel,
right
where's
down
the north
got
side of
that
the building?
too.
No, but it'll be easier.
No.
We know
On
where
this
it
side of the
is.
building?
Chill
Wouldn't
out.
the-
Chill out.
Sit down.
That's
It's over there.
No,
Sit
that
down.
is the north side.
Correct.
Farther to the north?
Where is the north side of the building?
That side.
You keep saying, you keep saying that
Costers.
side and then you point over there.
Wait, so it was from the east side?
West side.
West side?
This part.
Yeah.
Where's the north side of the building?
You write down that I wrote down what these are?
Yes.
Good job.
Okay, these are the steps right here, right?
Correct. We should ask if we use a,
Right here.
one of those things. That's over there by where,
So this is the
the alley
building,
is.
right? They're sitting right here about, right?
Correct.
Okay, there's the
We just
street
need it.
That's the road. The road's right here.
Right next to the step pad.
What? Where?
I wish our school still stood
Oh, God. I know, right?
They said keeping these
Yeah.
before you
Back in like 2004 again.
Mason, you weren't even in school in
Yes,
2004.
I was.
You would have been 4 years old.
Exactly, because I'm just that smart.
What happened? That's the west side.
He's trying this again. Ask him again.
It's the west side of
Oh,
the building.
hey, Schneider.
Side.
Can we use a microscope thingamabob?
Yes.
In the shade.
That's ours.
It's the only one that'll work.
Oh, that works? Really?
I'm pretty sure the other one does. But
Really? God, why do you break everything?
I didn't break
This
it.
is why we can't have nice things. This is why we can't have nice things.
this one doesn't have a sticker on it. It might work.
We will try.
Let me see if I was
Your supplies are right here. So when you get to where you need zinnias and those kinds of things.
Wait, what?
Hey, Miss Schneider, do we have to do can we do things like at our house if you're
outlets
really
work?
active?
Oh, coolio.
He said,
Like,
I
can we
wouldn't
use
stick your tongue in
No,
it.
Again, you have to document everything.
so I could document that I used whatever kind of plant it is.
Who grew it? When did it grow? Where did it grow? What was it?
the other
All those things just need to be
So if we
documented.
don't use yours, it's harder work for us to
Not
document.
necessarily. You have to document those too.
Let's put some dry. Put some dry.
So it's no different what we use as long as it's kind of a plan. It is a plan.
It asks you for very specific things, which is why we brought in some of the things that we did. If you can recreate that, that's a different story. Did you draw a picture yet?
I want to see.
That's what you have to do. So you have to. What? That's all she has written down.
Oh, Lord.
Inside the root.
I can't understand you,
I
buddy.
really hated those days that you said.
You want to know what to do now? Yes. Find tap roots.
All I can see is a light.
You're pointing at Paige, and you're saying, who are you pointing at? Haley. What did Haley do wrong? Did she steal it from you? Well, go talk to her. What? She'll tell you what you need to do. Yes, she will.
That's because you're horrible at
Haley's
adjusting
good
this,
at being
Trevor.
bossy.
Come here.
Inside.
She stole your laptop.
Trevor, I ate some dingleberry.
Where the water moves up and down the steps.
All right. Okay.
She'll give
With
you
the
her
grass.
Let me look at this. Let me look at this.
This very first thing, you find a tap root. And that's what a tap root is, right?
See, you're doing the same thing as I was.
Yes.
That's what? No, on this sheet of paper right here. She'll give you her notes.
Look at the
She's
inside.
not done right now. So what you need to do now is you need to take this tap root, you need to draw the tap root. That's why you have that lens.
Oh my
where
God.
it's like up close.
There's a bug on there.
Is there? And here's so, what do we call these things? Colored pencils. And that's what you need to do now.
Let's look at
Take that lens,
Let's look at this one too.
look at it, and draw what you see. Okay?
So pick up a chair.
Sit down.
Look at
Sit.
this. You see a large pine that this is where the
Oh
my gosh, flowers.
We got it out. Yes, remember that's how it focuses.
We
Now,
look at all plants under the
with
microscope.
the lens,
Say we started out with the grass.
up close, right? So we're like up close.
Yes,
And then you need to draw what you see.
Don't let me
Yes.
on.
So need to draw what I see.
Okay?
Also,
Alright, and I need to do it.
you write down what
She'll
we
give you the
looked
book
at.
when she's done. Okay?
Right? They're not
looked
there.
at
See what she
With the
did?
naked eye or with the hammer?
It's not quite what you're supposed to do.
just outside
Okay,
of
what is the difference between looking at that
So when
piece
you
of
look
grass
at
and
it,
this
you
here?
draw what
I'm
you see.
trying to write
down.
this down.
It says look at it with your hand.
The answer does what? Use the hammer to help.
Yeah.
Cause we lost first like we lost starters today.
What's it doing? What's it doing?
Mrs. Schneider, after we
I do believe-
get like this done, we can still take conversations. We just have to have everything built out.
Correct.
Okay.
Oh my
We
god.
had that discussion last time.
Yeah, but people didn't believe me.
So what, you're asking me now so that you can prove yourself right to those guys?
To make sure I heard you right.
Daniel.
Okay, the last layer we got right here.
Okay,
Joey,
The last.
how's your details over there, guys?
line
Pretty
layer.
good. You want to read my notebook, Mrs.
Now
Schneider?
right this very second.
Read mine, mine is better.
Guys, I have to tell you something that I noticed.
What?
This one out, Trevor.
Mason was offering, but I'll show you mine.
Belle's telling me something I had to write down.
Yes, I was trying to tell you guys something to write down.
I'm.
Okay, so
Or should I put it back?
With that one that we don't know what, no, the other one, the one that we don't know what the plant is, their roots are lighter and then the grass's roots are darker.
What?
So unidentified plant versus darker.
No, this is lighter, darker.
Right, or did Isabel do that?
Right,
well,
what?
that's the
You need to get the
steel.
hell out of the way.
Just put them in a different room.
Yeah.
Okay. Which kind of root systems tackle for fiber shoots is like the one through the winter?
Does that make sense?
You have them labeled, but I don't see it.
It goes up and down.
And this is fiber.
Where'd you get your carrots, Miss Schneider?
Grocery store. Carl's, this is the other
What
Tuesday.
is this?
Where do crows get them from? We can just put the, you got them across, right?
Alright, so
Are you sure this one's fiber?
Belle.
No, this is,
Fibers. Belle.
I see a
So
glob of dirt.
nothing's darker than the
I see a glob of dirt, I don't see a whole lot of roots.
our roots are over here. We're looking at a mic piece.
They're looking at the roots over here. Underneath the binocular microscope.
Crows is K-R-U-L-L.
Together.
Crow,
So that they're the
K-R-U-L-L.
same distance?
Yeah.
Yep. Turning them should focus them. But you should also be able to get them to
Two,
go farther,
J,
like your eyeball. They have to be the same distance apart as your
what
eyeball.
they was
Okay,
just
got
there.
it now.
No,
Can't do that.
just.
Ready to move on, or you wanna stay here, Heather?
Yeah.
I can move on.
Oh.
After listening though, they're doing a pretty good job.
There's some boys here that might need a
Alright, so
little.
when I went to bed, I found
One of them is sitting there with his signature
Walking-
on his
yeah, I
hand,
got a
I
kid.
saw like 3
walking in the hallway, immediately walking around, I panicked. So I took her down to my room, and I said she slept with me. So,
Well, you looked it up, now what?
I didn't want to walk.
You have instructions?
Alright,
Instructions
you won't be.
Oh, yes.
What else about the
You
draft?
got Ty on your left and Hunter on your right, Heather. They're both a little bit out of screen, but they're there. You can probably see their arms.
So, I doubt that.
It's just like the roots.
Well, that's because it's getting colder.
So what does number
that's
one
what
want
it
you to
does.
do?
Erica.
Mrs. Schneider said we could get one done. We're almost done.
We have 3 other bars.
I know, we already ate one too.
No, we didn't.
Right? So you're just looking
We didn't eat a carrot.
Mrs. Schneider.
and then you're looking for similarities.
Nuh-uh.
Number 2
I didn't eat that carrot.
I'm pretty sure they heard us eating
what
carrot.
type
I
of
doubt it.
similarities they want you to look
They have ears, you know.
No, I doubt it.
This
I'll bet Mrs. Keller did a screen capture.
Of us eating a carrot, probably.
Kids eat it.
What's the same with
Okay.
carrot tail?
We think these two
You
are
should
fine.
be mad about us eating healthy.
No, it's on.
Yeah.
Shit, whatever. No one
Oh
ever.
shoot.
Alright, let's look
Missionary,
at
what should you do if you wrote on the wrong side? I'm gonna look at the page back so you can cross out with one line. Put another. Good luck with that.
Stop doing it,
What is this
and then
called?
just continue from there.
Binocular microscope.
Binocular microscope.
We looked through it on
Trevor,
the
write that down.
Macroscope.
Hey, 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 hey,
Binocular
hey,
microscope.
hey, hey. This is later, Trevor's being a bully.
Are we done with this activity now? Well, we gotta get do our other stuff.
This was really
That's what I thought.
The root stuff, big stuff, and stuff out of the grass roots.
Do you know what he's
Spread
doing?
out.
Why do we need two carrots?
Taking out the center.
Anyway,
So we can list that by itself. Because it's gonna be different than,
what it looks like
What?
is
because it
carrot
serves a
roots
different
spread out a
purpose.
little
What's the
bit.
purpose?
Went down.
That transports
Taproot's
water
a long, thick manger with smaller roots.
nutrients
branching off.
up to.
Taproots, taproots, that's what they're called.
What's that called?
No, that's not.
What's the part of the plant that transports
Xylem.
water?
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, this was really
Well,
weird.
Wait, that might be, that
One,
might be.
two.
I'm not gonna say either of those because they're both really pronounced wrong.
I bet this is.
Those glasses are bad.
If only there was a way to make the computer tell you how to say it.
Figure out which one it does, which one transports
Miss
food and water, which one
Snyder.
transports.
Unidentified
Now I gotta rate that
We
too.
thought that it was
One's
fibrous,
food and
but
water.
now we think that
One's
it
food,
is.
One's food, one's water.
Which one is this? What is, we said, I'm gonna get in trouble if we don't.
It's the sound of it, Daniel, that becomes important in science because if you said those two words
We all
to
will, because
somebody
if
in a
none of us
lab,
write
they
it
know
down,
what
we're
you're
not
talking
gonna
about.
Xylem.
Huh?
Xylem is I'm supposed to
And what does that do?
We figured out that this does not look like a fibrous plant.
In number one, right? And then in group two, what would we have?
Xylem transports
No,
water.
try again.
Xylem
Thank you.
transports water and solutes from the root to the
I was
leaves.
never gonna look at this one yet.
And the folium.
No, try that
And
again.
then to help
Folium?
you,
No,
you should be able to identify.
How do you
look
pronounce?
at it. You're screwing some
Folium.
letters around.
Hairs on
We
each
all like
plant.
that. Transposing letters.
Divide your plants into two groups
Yes.
based on similarities of their roots.
I don't know how.
Yes, you do. You know the pH is out. Go from there.
Here we go.
Describe your two groups.
Folium.
Take it one letter at a time after the pH.
One wall. Oh, and
And then the other one,
this
Is
Snyder.
there a speaker setting on your computer?
that's what's going on in your lab.
Okay.
Ty, does that make sense now?
Very
Yeah.
inside is the phloem, and then the outside is the endodermis. Got it. I think we should go by this.
Paige, can you give me something else in our
Okay,
world that
now we
acts
can
as an
look at the carrots.
endodermis?
I'm saying it right, Missionary. Google Translate agrees.
No, ma'am.
Folium.
That's not what you're saying.
I'm gonna be sick of our three.
Was it phloem?
Yes.
Wait,
Phloem. There.
There you go.
Phloem. Phloem.
What does that do?
oh god, I just repeated.
Transports
Lo and
food
behold,
from leaves to the rest of the plant.
We have to label by their name.
So one goes up, one goes down?
Yeah.
Which one goes up?
Well, the
You guys can.
xylem.
You guys can each get.
Xylem.
Or-
No, I forgot how to pronounce it.
yeah.
Xylem
Xylem does what?
goes up and brings it steady. But the phloem
Good.
can transport it either way because it can go up to the higher parts of the plant or it can go down to the root.
Good.
Now I gotta read all that down, Miss Schneider.
Yes, you do. Paige, did you hear my question?
Yes, and I said no, ma'am.
Can you come up with something?
Yeah, I can.
Awesome.
And
We have a lady one side.
Yeah, obviously.
Women. Don't do it.
Wait, what was your question again? Mrs. Schneider,
What's an endodermis, kiddo?
that is an inner layer of cells in the cortex of a root and of some stems surrounding the vascular bundle.
That does what?
We need to look at the tips. It says, look at the
Paige, do you have zips?
The
Not
flow
play
of
with the
water.
damn microscope the whole class. Okay, but those are-
Wait a second. Un momento, please.
Dude, what are you doing?
No, I won't.
Stop.
I don't like
What?
I got the tip. Very literally.
Oh,
That's
you know
exactly
what?
what it is.
I can't find.
Should we look at a carrot this way?
Covering around the heart.
Alright. Different.
So what happens to
You're gonna have parents at my house. All you need.
Paige, do you go hunting?
Sometimes,
Do you ever have to clean the deer?
no,
You ever seen it done?
yes,
Did you ever touch any of it?
no,
Did you ever cut the heart up to eat it?
ew.
That's the dog.
That is the best
That's
part.
for the coyotes in the field.
no.
My
understand
uncles
it's
do
pretty
all
good.
that,
I can't.
Have you ever
stand
been there when they
part.
did it?
yes.
You don't leave that stuff behind.
Have a lot of water.
We do.
Daniel does.
Can't stand the heart or like
Kind of.
the liver stuff.
Not
Yeah,
exactly.
dog.
It'd be a good example. of
Paige.
what-
Paige,
Yeah, but then I go back and coyote hunt.
have you ever had a baby? No, you haven't had a baby, right?
No.
Have you ever seen one born? Even on TV?
Yeah.
Well, you never know. She could have had
Well,
one.
she might have, right?
Her and Cooper get.
No, I've never had a child.
Okay, but think about it this way, right? What's the baby in?
Give him that.
Your mom.
The child's stomach. I mean,
The
the
child's stomach.
the mother's stomach.
I can promise you that I gave birth to 2 children, none of whom resided in my stomach. So,
It's the womb.
The womb.
what's the clinical term for that?
The
Baby house.
Hey,
Baby house.
Hey, you, they're feller.
I don't know.
What's the big
Right,
covering it's
Jared.
in?
The apartment?
The outside is the stomach.
No.
And then you got the inside and there's something wrapped
Did you
around
eat the
it.
baby?
Have the extra one.
Wow.
Just
mine.
say the word.
That's
I
very good. I want you to lean
Well, I
back.
don't have it, so I'm gonna look something up
Tell me,
and
come here.
then have it.
Carrot?
I've seen lots of animals born.
Calm down.
Have you ever
Oh,
seen
yeah, I
it
didn't get any of
before?
these
So you
too.
don't-
Try to heat it. Heat up for what you want. Get it. Center. X, Y, L.
No, I'm not done yet, David. I'm
X,
not
Y,
done yet.
L, M. Yeah, then you got the volume that transports. Hug your baby
A baby fits in there?
Well, it grows.
Yeah, they're trying to do something real quick.
How big does it?
Oh,
It's a baby inside there.
what is the sugar?
Oh, it's like a sack.
It's like a
What's that? What's the sack
The
called?
tip is broken.
Congratulations. Let me use it.
Wait, so if you're
They're
looking
looking
at
and no, it's not.
I'm gonna look at it.
Don't join in our conversation.
I didn't say it in farmer terms, but that would be right. Maybe you should allow that.
Because it's the second thing that you actually deliver to.
Okay, now do an add more about fibrous right now.
Eat the small part of it off.
What? The fiber, got the root.
You need to.
I know, but we have to know it.
Sure.
You need to write that down.
Here, here.
Okay, wait, but inside of this,
So
is this little part in the middle, there's another piece like that, and it goes like that.
What? Oh, these are.
Okay, you got.
I don't want that.
One main one there.
All right.
Go one main one that.
Oh,
Now you can look at the other one.
Who's gonna tell you?
Let's ambient that.
Is it? Yeah.
It's a really good picture. But here's the deal. It's kind of like your brain. So your brain is inside.
excited for this weekend, Mr. Schneider?
A little bit.
Yeah, and then you got the lab.
Was
Should we draw on our notebooks what they look like?
Ryan got a lot of people coming out to hunt this year.
Lateral.
Your dad and Ryan bringing a bunch of people out to hunt?
No, Ryan doesn't even think he's gonna hunt.
Really?
We have a lot of combining to do. My dad will.
Probably.
Dad doesn't like to walk though, right?
Yeah, now that he has diabetes, he loves to walk.
Does he?
My dad.
To get his knee issue straightened out? I haven't talked to
Well, I
him.
didn't know.
I can see if you can come out on Saturday.
No, I got a place I gotta be on Saturday. I was just thinking about
Is
after that.
Saturday opener?
Yeah.
No. Are you serious?
You have dogs?
I'm waiting.
One.
I can see if you can bring it, you and your dog.
Christian Okay, there you go. We're good.
Mrs. Sugar, why don't we have?
Okay,
one-
Saturday I gotta go to the same place I've been for the last dozen years.
Get the plants in the back.
Buck Wild.
Oh, okay.
Why?
A bunch of the teachers that my dad hired in Scotland.
We need to color this.
Help us out every year. And one of them grew up in Kimball.
Okay, we need.
No.
One year we saw about 100 pheasants fly all at once.
So then I should put after that,
What
we
is
colored
that?
in all the plants
That was a long time ago. That was almost 10 years ago.
Drew,
and colored the carrots.
no,
The plants.
we're not coloring the plants, we're gonna draw them.
But they colored.
Alright.
Okay, we need. I'll go get
Color
some.
That's what that, so, and now I want you to.
Mr. Schneider. Daniel, that was the weak. That was the
Let's
weak
do
one.
third one.
We need to go to the dark. The one in the dark is the one we covered with petroleum gel. After a week.
Oh.
Go after 2 days.
If it was on the outside, like,
Can I go to the store or whatever that room is and get that?
Yeah. You guys have about 30 minutes of work time left.
No,
and
three years, right?
That's what I've been saying. It's like the walls that are on the outside. Oh, I do see that. Here's a pepper. Did you know there's a placenta in the store that we're talking about?
Oh, there we go.
Where are you writing these?
Hey, Mr. Schneider, did you know there's a placenta in a pepper?
Yes.
We drew all the plants into our notebook.
Mr. Schneider, you know what makes a pepper hot?
Yeah, the little seeds? Yeah, no, the seeds are on the inside.
After that, we colored the
No, spice.
Yeah.
You know what that is?
Yeah, I used to.
Capsaicin.
There you go.
Where does that reside?
Do we do
Mostly.
this anymore?
How are we supposed to
Seeds
cover
in
this
the tip.
with petroleum jelly?
Might actually need it.
Well, turn off the lights.
I don't know.
Wait, Daniel, let me look at that.
It's not my problem.
You know what's it called?
It was in the dark for 2 days. We didn't like
I
that.
think it's the dark orange endo.
Or maybe it froze.
Ours is never outside.
Or was it?
Where's the petroleum jelly, mister?
Where did I tell you all this like?
Oh, in here.
The endodermis is the darker.
Then we have to do the flower one.
This is what the carrot looks like.
I
I don't, okay, right, I'll,
I don't want to.
you have to. It literally says it in the instructions.
Can we put this?
Mason, just make an orange lump.
That's what I was gonna do. An orange turd.
Orange.
Back off!
This one is,
Can
has
we
a
use
lot
this
of more
goofy
color. Trevor, write this down.
Just clean it.
This is the same color as the carrot one.
Clean it.
They're more vibrant.
I colored an orange turd.
Okay, that's carrot one, Mason.
Carrot one.
So, Mr. Mark, how come you guys don't have, it's just, come you guys don't have class for like less than the spring anymore?
They had some parents that wanted teachers that lived in town.
Oh.
Our town is dying and you've got these people driving in, how come you don't hire people and make them live here?
Doesn't work like that.
That's not nice.
They weren't able to before. And now they found
They
one
found
person and they gave the science guy that I worked with for 2 years, they gave somebody else from his junior high classes and gave him the high school classes.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I do.
And that's a part of our plan is to work with people and show them how we do this. Let them do it, go away and find some new people to work with.
Yeah. They're
Alex, I got this. We can start putting Vaseline in. Chew on the. Ew. Look what I found. The box is at their end. Thanks. How are we gonna cover? We'll do the two under, the two top leaves here. They should be in there, I think.
This one has a lot more color and a little, like, less. Yes.
Yes.
This is the.
Yes.
This is a little less yellow.
So, you see where the touch is made? This part right here is actually not the touch.
Alex, we gotta do this quick though.
Trevor, I'm not trying to stab you. Please stop trying to make me.
I'm sorry.
Got it, though.
You don't even know.
Yeah, you know, bro.
Okay.
Do you want to
So they
today?
look like this.
Guys, don't eat apple seeds. They're poisonous.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Actually, it's good to eat one or
Cyanide.
two every
Yeah.
so often.
Cyanide. You can still eat them, but there's.
They're poisonous.
You
It only, if
control
you
it.
take like 30 apples and you have all the apple seeds and you make something out of apple seeds, then
Yes.
I'm gonna kill you.
That's all the
One or
orange is
two
the new
apple
black.
seeds won't hurt you. It takes very.
You want Paige? Paige?
Just in case you were wondering, you probably shouldn't say that while you're being recorded. Just saying.
No, I won't like it.
Guys, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna kill you.
Got it.
We're gonna love you.
I'm not doing
The recording's getting
I
better.
believe that you kill us.
Alright, ladies.
Except everyone.
I don't
see a
ever
stout
fall.
cocky.
She took a
The
picture.
bars from his back with some apple tart and everything.
Okay.
Awesome. For sure. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Here, I think
Is likelier to plant.
Alex, can you go grab some water?
Yeah. Does grass live throughout the winter?
No.
Does whatever this is?
Yeah, we have
We don't know what that
little
is.
It's
vein
not work
that
fair.
runs down the middle of the
It
ear.
almost
Is
looks like
the
a
exome.
The light, darkness is not
Towards the
true.
water and then the
I
darker
don't
part.
know.
Sure, is that a bean plant?
I think this looks like a bean plant.
Yes.
Wait,
No.
That's the same thing.
You're out, right?
That's what that.
I'm hoping that the Vaseline jelly brings it back to life.
So why do you think the Vaseline would
Let me
bring it
Google
back?
it.
It retains moisture. But now we got put in light for a week. So.
Let's see here. Let's see what a bean plant.
Daniel, what's the composition of a leaf?
Yes, you knew. Oh, let me have that.
Of a leaf, what's a leaf? What's the makeup of a
You
leaf?
don't get a carrot.
Cells.
Dude, that looks like a bean.
If I asked you to define the parts of a leaf for me, what would you say?
The. I forget what it's called. The part that joins it.
That's right. And then what's the book called?
Yeah, I don't know. Daniel,
You almost kind of need to know that in order to understand why you're doing what you're doing.
Stupid question. I was gonna ask you,
So you're gonna want to look that up.
part of the carrot was
Bye.
called, but I asked it backwards.
No, come here.
Have you found
Say
before
one.
the carrot
At
yet?
least
Which
one.
part is that?
I'm
Hey,
thinking this part of
Ooh, looks like that.
Do you have any larger scoops than that?
yeah, like
Save one.
Like,
Oh, it did, but it fell off.
You had a spoon.
I think there's a spoon in that drawer too by, standing there right next to Mason, it's the top left, I think. There should be a tablespoon in there. If not, I'll have to ask. Yep.
Hey,
What flavor you want?
hey.
Just enough.
What are you talking about?
No. Where do colored
Okay, the
pencils go?
endodermis is like around this.
There's one colored pencil.
There, I got it.
Pretty sure it isn't a bean plant.
Yeah, on the outside, yeah.
I covered the leaves.
Yes, but I am going to ask you, what are the parts of a leaf?
I'm gonna go look it up
Okay,
now.
good, good, good.
I just don't want to touch while I have bad hands.
I can't believe the number of people who didn't want to touch the Vaseline.
It's just weird because it's kind of slimy.
Now we have to.
Is that Daniel's turn?
Where are you guys at in this process back there?
We're identifying the what that's for.
You got a lot to do, I know that.
We probably do.
We need a water. You're looking good in this color. Go ahead and water it then.
Oh no!
Now we're doing the eating.
Yeah. Where's the graduated syllabus? You're not gonna just let me put water in it without
It's in
measuring
one
it.
of those two. Correct, Daniel, or not.
What question?
Oh, we're on 4. Because we were just talking about what's
Oh yeah, we're on 4.
Carrots are pearls.
You have to identify them as
Hang out for the
not.
winter.
Or it makes them easier.
You're down to about 22 minutes of work time.
Okay. This whole part, the top.
24 milliliters of water is being put with our plant now.
Scotland's undefeated.
What would make more sense? Like tap roots are the ones that have the long, thick main root, right?
Yeah.
So they have that core.
Actual
What variable did you change, Alex?
The height of the bottle.
Yeah.
That's it? Everything else is gonna be the same?
Everything else is gonna be the same.
So, and then this stuff on the outside.
The assembly will be a tad different because you have to add another bottle.
Whatever the carriers are.
That's what I think.
Hello.
I've been trying to look it up, so I can tell you guys about it.
I feel
don't even know.
Like common sense says that would be
Nothing
right.
else has changed.
Where would you find that information online?
How should you dry this out since it's so small? Just let it air dryer.
You just let it air dry. That's what I've always done.
Where should I put it then?
Put it over there by the sink.
thing on the outside.
Wipe it down low with a paper towel, and
Call it good.
The duct tape?
if it's still damp, leave it out on the counter. On
We didn't
on
last
a
year.
brown paper towel, so
Last time we
that's
got,
Yes,
kinda
but we
like
don't have it. We
universal
don't have a duct tape.
system for this is clean.
that would be
this is
changing
dry.
another variable.
We don't have duct tape though. And remember, we told you, if you're gonna do stuff, make sure you have the equipment to do it.
So I found a website that says that taproot
Yeah,
systems
modify unless I just do the same way and not overflood my ingredient.
That would be changing
That's
the
right.
variable.
And then the thing in the middle is called a.
It wouldn't have been overflow, but if I was gonna change something, I was gonna put a cardboard layer in
How much water did you put in?
until it started to fill up the rocks. But then the dirt started to fall down in the
And like
rocks
the,
and it messed it up.
Okay, so now I'm gonna ask Alex how tall his first one was.
1 bottle.
That doesn't define anything for me. Do you have that written down somewhere?
Not the height of the bottle.
Then how can you change the height going forward?
Yes.
Details are killing us.
The details are killers, and until it becomes a habit, it becomes
A killer.
a killer, yeah.
Okay. Trevor, did you get on? Oh, yeah.
This was activity 3, right?
4. Oh, wait, the one that you did?
Yeah.
Any from us even.
Yay. Good job,
We
team.
think we did it anyway. I hope we're done.
It's okay, Alex. I would have done the exact same thing.
I'm putting this over the windowsill now. So I can put it in sun for a week.
It is so something, except I would have done it all the way to the end, and then I would have gotten to the end, and somebody would have said, did you put the dirt in? And I would have said, oh,
No.
crap.
I'm really hungry.
Wait, Mrs. Schneider, do we have to have our bio today?
We have until the beginning of class on Tuesday to get this entire thing done.
We
I
are.
don't know how well they grow or what happens.
Just finish work.
Number 4.
Yeah, you have 11 different things.
Well, I mean, we finished activity. The activity of yours. It's what I'm trying to tell you, Mr. Schneider.
So do you have to do that today?
No,
No.
probably
What
not.
are you doing next?
Didn't want to be quick though.
I want to finish
Got
this
it.
off.
Yeah,
Hold on,
take
let's
this
see.
stuff off.
No. You have experiments you're supposed to be doing.
And radishes can be grown. Someone go to activity 5.
Young people, make sure that you have read the directions in Edmodo. There are clarifying directions there that may or may not make some of your lives easier.
Someone go to Emoto.
They actually, I think, will.
Are you finding the seeds already?
What are the further
I only found one of the 3.
They're not all in there?
No.
What are the further instructions for activity 11?
No, these are what we're using yesterday.
Yes, but remember we told you that's what you're planning. Those are the same thing as what you did before.
They are?
Yeah. So the only one you don't have is the the one, the tiny one.
Can we see if these grow in ours?
No,
Okay.
I know they'll grow. They grew in mine. That's actually what grew there in the container. Like zinnias are really, really tall.
He's a survivor.
It's not that itchy. Whenever I don't wear a helmet. Yeah, I know, that's why I'm doing it.
So we know they're bean seeds, because you told us these are bean seeds yesterday.
Literally,
We're
it's
done
one
with activities.
And number 10 says use
Using my head.
correct.
Never wrote down what one we would survive it, what's surviving the
We
winter.
should do like one and all that.
Carrots.
Carrots survive in the winter? I'm taking pictures.
I knew we should have said the carrots.
Look, Vaseline.
No.
Mr. Schneider, where are the measuring cups?
Right there. On the floor, to the right.
Why'd you hit me? You made me X out of the cab. I was trying to get to Miss Schneider.
Didn't they feed us last year? I think it was like
We're gonna go check our plant.
This is after. After we ate all of our samples.
Well, see, I have to do number 1, but my plants are being used.
What's mine?
Can I do it at home?
Who did birds feed us last year?
I don't know.
I thought we had one. I know Gayville we did.
Howard?
2 years ago.
No, Howard we had.
You guys are thinking too small.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Paige doesn't have it. Yeah.
Steve will get that name.
Yeah, they're using
Well, let's Google it. Well, let's Google it. What?
Anyone have a plant that you can use?
Wow. You didn't know I got Phyllis. It's about.
I thought it was either that age.
Probably.
You didn't grow anything?
Why? Because you had to make the food. It's about broken.
I did not grow anything.
Doubt it.
Well, no, the water, I'll get the water to the pipers. Yeah, I'm definitely.
That's how big like the average head is.
Yeah, because I only
I
had
know.
holes,
Right.
and I got
Mine is the
bottom.
skin,
I
Trevor.
had holes, but there wasn't, I didn't have enough holes. And it only, there was only holes in Alright.
There's nothing in it though.
What do I need to write? Which one?
When you bounce around, you're free. Back into the trunk of the car.
Maybe. I can run out and find out.
Thanks. And they're supposed to place their plant in a sunny room for a week.
M&M, no, it was over in Detroit.
Gentlemen, what are you doing?
Conversating?
What are you supposed to be doing?
Conversating?
You guys got that?
Let's wait for that. Well, I'm gonna start in the plug.
Told ya.
What about these?
Our plant.
Don't do anything to it because I need to take a picture.
Say, what are they called?
No, we would have done that 2 days ago.
Taproot.
Taproots.
But then we identified the bean plant as a taproot.
That's impossible, we're only in 7 days. Exactly.
Now she's listening.
I am. What do you mean by bean
You are
plant?
stupid, Taylor.
Define a taproot
No,
for
I'm
me.
not.
It has one name.
We're going back to activity number 3.
And we thought we
And
would
we're gonna
identify
put
this as
that
a
out in
bean
the
plant.
dark room right now, and then we have to put the Vaseline jelly stuff on it.
Oh, perfect. So did you were you able to start 3, 5, and 9?
We started 3 and 5, but we didn't get to 9. We need this.
If anybody asks, I will be right back.
Alright, okay.
You did put it in your account.
Travis, can you take a picture?
P. Aha. Alex, if you wanted to add that third variable, if you wanted to, yeah, if you didn't, that's okay, but.
Will that change my experiment?
I'm gonna go home and cuddle with my
No,
wife.
no,
For that? Okay.
no, we knew that going in, that we were gonna have an issue because we couldn't find these again, now that we found them. And the other variable might be that these have been outside, has it frozen yet?
The closest I've seen it is 34.
Can you put those
I don't think so, because they would have been in the
That's
truck,
once at my house.
so they wouldn't have been outside temperature.
That may or may not have been above this, so.
How do you open this thing? I don't wanna break it.
Just lift it. Just lift it.
Just do it.
Well, I didn't wanna break it. Mrs. Schneider! It's not gonna break. Can we use one of those sticks?
No.
Where's the
Those
water?
are yours?
Those are not our sticks.
Oh shoot.
So,
So it is a fibrous.
yeah.
Haley, you can use this metal.
We identified the beef.
You have to do?
Can I have a drinking straw? But why?
She'll be right back. Mrs. Keller.
Oh, okay.
Yes, do we even have 4 leaves? Well, then we need 4. Is this really good?
We don't want to do
We don't have to use one.
Gross.
Can't redo it because can't think of it. Because we don't have time. Then it'll be Saturday.
Oh, those glorious words, Mr. Schneider, we didn't think it through.
Actually, there's 1, 2.
Do we have that on tape?
Yes.
Hopefully.
Miss,
Is it recording?
why
What is
will
it?
you guys
What
instruct
game plan?
with on Saturday?
Daniel, stay in your group. Stay in your own group. You and Alex.
Is it gonna
Is it just one that's down?
I can't wait for mine. Right, Trevor?
Yeah.
And cookies, yes,
doing?
and cookies, both.
You are T-minus 12 minutes here.
What?
Isn't it 20? It's only 12.
Wait, can I minus about
Huh?
8 minutes?
It's only 12:10.
I'm going by that up there.
Okay, you guys told me right down.
Oh.
I told you the last part.
That one's quite fast. You really want to be able to read it.
It was fibrous root
What
system.
activity was that?
I have 12:11 on my phone, so.
Give or
Last
take
thing I
2
wrote down
minutes.
was our.
Mrs. Schneider is 12:15.
Okay, we got
Mrs. Schneider.
the
Yes,
force activity
Got about
done.
10 minutes.
it's 12:11.
No, 12:15.
How important is it to think things all the way through,
Roots have
read all the instructions?
Very important. Very, and I need to write down. Please.
Okay, what's a week
Is
from
that gonna help
today?
you next time?
Yes.
What's
Thursday?
You gonna remember to think it through and plan it all out when we give you time to plan?
They just are. Remember we used to like bring them all the time when we were.
What's the plan here?
Because my last one, right, I put another bottle over the top.
Basically gave up on
that.
cookies.
When the
So
water
my
evaporates.
mom had a job as a nursing home, so she kind of could.
You're not letting her in and out, right?
Should always make.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
That's why I have one more bottle.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yes, it is. No, it's not. Me and Jenna's mom.
What's next Thursday?
You mean what's the
Next
date
Thursday,
next
like,
Thursday?
Daniel?
What?
Date? Hey,
Yeah.
guys.
I used to play Dora.
I got a second.
Well, today's 15, so it's 22.
And it's an 8A, by the way.
Oh, shoot. Oh, well, we can come in here. Mr. Schneider, are you busy after school?
Today's reminded me of class Tuesday.
You mean 3:30?
Yes. We just did activity 4, right?
Super wide.
Because my mom says I'm supposed to talk to you, so
Grades?
I'm missing anything.
You were supposed to do that 2 weeks ago. You made an appointment with me to come after school.
Mrs. Schneider.
That's because I forgot about it, Mrs.
Mrs.
Schneider.
Schneider, Mr. Schneider, do you know we don't have class Tuesday?
About that too?
Say it again, please.
We don't have class Tuesday.
I understand that.
But you said at the beginning of class on Tuesday.
Correct.
What's this say? You don't have class.
So we'll have, we can work on it Monday.
Yeah.
I'm coming in to get your lab notebooks on Tuesday.
Hey, Mrs.
But we
Schneider.
have Monday to work on this then.
Not in
Whoa.
class, no.
Why is their class on Tuesday? Because of a holiday.
No, the A and B days got switched around. So like Fridays and A days, so that Monday will be a B day.
Oh, okay.
and we don't have
Can we
school
work on it?
next,
Can we do activity
next
2
Friday.
at our house then?
You keep asking me this, Daniel.
I haven't asked you yet.
If you keep asking me if you can do this stuff at home.
everything together.
What?
You keep asking me if you can do all this stuff at home.
And yes, I'm gonna do all the what I can't get done now in the next
Mr.
5 minutes.
Schneider, low battery on the computer.
Mrs. Schneider,
Yes.
can I stay in after school and talk to you about that too?
Sure.
I have to talk to both of you guys.
You're about to die.
Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Okay,
It'll be a half
no
hour.
worries, I can come back on.
Oh, I got you plugged in. You're good.
My physical therapist.
I suppose I could. What are we supposed to do with our carrots?
Eat them.
I don't want to eat carrots.
What do you do with lab
we'll
stuff?
eat them for you.
Throw it away.
Hey, you got some. If you give me some peanut butter, they're gone, man.
Yeah, but you can't. You're not supposed to eat in the lab. So.
Yeah, but
Mrs. Schneider did though, so it's okay.
I didn't do what I was doing though. I just did something else.
I'm throwing the carrots away.
Where's your new design, Alex?
Yeah, we have some stuff done.
Yeah, we gotta give you for Mrs. Schneider, ready?
What?
Ready?
Let's do something successful. What?
My French kid is trillion jelly off that steak.
You know what? Hey, Eric.
That's funny.
Ultimately, what if
Is this something you're gonna feel?
Whoa, what is
You
this?
asked a lot out of us.
I doubt that.
Borrowed it.
Hey, what's
You
going?
worked on this yesterday.
What's going on with this?
We didn't have class yesterday.
So?
I didn't have time yesterday.
I was on the football field.
I was a busy young man yesterday.
Watching YouTube.
I'm gonna put this dirt in my own
What or not?
What's that?
They usually go home and
Is that yogurts?
make sure you want this. My mom was like, we need to study.
Alex, I think the only thing I would add to your lab notebook is why you changed that variable.
Yeah. Why did you change that?
It's fine. Wait, but what we just did was 3. Yeah.
How many times are we gonna have to modify our plants, Miss Schneider?
12, Daniel.
12.
How many times did Edison modify the light bulb?
A lot.
Once.
I should have kept it.
Actually, he never modified because it's proven
I
done.
didn't write all my activities.
Dude,
Yes, it was. Oh, yeah.
Edison had like dozens and dozens of people working on different designs all at the same
None
time.
of you guys know
Yeah,
what was
fam.
meant to do.
Yeah, Bam.
I was there. I was there. Hard. He was pretty good.
I got mine. You could do it that way.
Here, take your computer. What is that? Oh,
Where does
No, it went 5 That's the only thing.
what is these?
Most of the time using the same letters.
Damn straight.
Erica just had the comment in
Very
there.
good.
She said that
No.
we do something wrong every day and learn from it.
And we didn't get that one recorded.
No.
What'd she say?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, you did because that's still on.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's
It'll pick
Mrs.
her up.
Schneider,
in a room.
Yes.
what is that thing?
I don't know what you're pointing at.
It's like the silver thing that looks like a
Oh, it
freaking nuclear.
static electricity sound, doesn't it? The thing that looks like a bad haircut.
No, I think it's
No, that thing in the corner.
Yeah,
Right there.
he's
I
talking
think
about.
it's an ancient
Oh.
microscope kind of thing.
It kind of looks like a nuclear ray thing that could like slice through people.
What'd she say, Miss Schneider?
Yeah.
You should come in the study hall this afternoon. Yeah, we do.
It's yours now. I'm done.
Yes. I don't even care. I'll find it.
SMU.
Mrs. Schneider, do we have to clean up?
That one should have a cover on it.
Riley, that's your problem.
I didn't get it out.
I didn't either.
Yes. You should.
We gotta do activity one and have these two, but then I think we can do our own.
In the next minute or two, they should start cleaning up. You need to finish what you're on and start cleaning up in the next couple of minutes.
Which one is?
Yes, Haley.
I don't know, I can't find it.
Yes.
Alright,
Right.
alright.
It's
Oh, do it again!
Let them sit there for a week, and then we're supposed to change them from one side for 2 days, and then the next day for 2 days, and then 2 days.
Do you want to answer?
Don't ask how.
No.
When,
Hey, Trevor.
where, why.
Why what? Huh?
Don't ask how, when, where,
Oh,
why
no.
do we
Those are all really good questions, but we addressed that the other day. So Haley, your build is all done on
She
Tuesday.
texted me today.
Your observation for some of those will continue on.
No, he doesn't. Why?
Well, I said she needs our notebook, and they said just do it on.
We're not gonna keep your notebooks for a long time.
Correct.
She's gonna take your notebooks on
Tuesday.
Tuesday, and we're gonna get back to the class on Wednesday.
He keeps saying, and I said,
Yeah, thanks for that, honey.
hey!
Put his tools away.
Now they're all printed. I don't, mine came from somewhere.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey. On activity 6,
Yeah.
it says we need to collect stems from many different plants or data. And we don't have many different plants because
Mrs. Schneider,
everything's
she
being
has a
used.
bag. Put it back right
But you have
Mrs.
carnations.
Mrs. Schneider.
Oh, zinnias.
Correct.
Mrs. Schneider.
Could I bring one of them home so I can work on it?
If you take the stuff home, then what will everybody else do?
What?
We have a lot of zinnias.
I know, but do we have enough for everyone to take home?
We should do that one this afternoon.
We should maybe get it done while you're in school.
Alex,
Mrs. Schneider.
we're gonna do 6 this afternoon.
Mrs. Schneider. Quick, please.
Are you ready to
No.
stop?
That's up to you. I don't have to be done.
Hey, what happened to my box? What are we supposed to do for activity 7 then if we need a large flower?
Really? I'm gonna ask you one more time. Have you read all of the directions? Look, there's a flower right here.
Me. Yeah, I'm working on it.
Have you read all of the directions in Edmodo?
Good job, Daniel.
I had.
No.
Not no more.
Not anymore either.
Not no more.
What are those?
I bet there's something in Edmodo to help.
I bet
Hey,
there's
sis?
two.
Yeah.
Darn nice. Hi, Mrs. Schneider.
There are all these colors.
Let's wipe off our spots.
Everyone cares.
We'll have to find. Miss Schneider, that doesn't help.
Take that. I was walking out the
That doesn't help me say it says we'll have to find a different way to accomplish this.
Right.
Megan,
Cool.
let her.
I love you.
Right.
I love you too.
You're correct.
So you'll find a different way to do this.
Right.
So what are we gonna
Are
do
these
this then?
yours?
If we
Yes,
can't.
they are.
Daniel, do you have to worry about it right now?
No.
Then don't worry about it.
Yeah.
You need to clean off that thing.
You're learning so much today.
Trying to get stuff done. Can't get
Excited for
done.
tonight?
Yes.
Sit.
I really am.
Yes, ma'am.
But you
Mrs.
have to
Schneider,
learn
I was trying to get to my spot.
I bet your dad would tell you the same thing.
But I was cleaning my spot
But
up.
dudes, they just do it anyway.
Where does this go?
No,
It all goes
Betty
in
would.
there so that people know where it's
if
at.
it can't be done,
Petroleum
he
jelly
would
goes
not
in
say
there.
do it.
Young people, have a seat, please.
We're not done. How do you open this?
He's smarter than
Thank you,
Can you
Mason.
untie that, Mr. Schneider? Can't
I
get it.
said I didn't want to.
He's over here.
Yeah.
He's over here standing.
We have carrots, a knife, tape, measuring cup. All that stuff needs to be taken care of yet.
Guys, don't forget that nobody can read.
All this thing's out.
Take your knife. Well, it really is a great day. I was thinking about all that. Where does this go? I don't know.
There's another one in that corner right there.
Sorry, Isabel.
Nope.
Anybody else
Yeah,
have a
but-
scoop?
Sparta.
No scoop?
I have one.
Back there
Hey, hey, hey,
in the drawers, top left.
Young people, have a seat if you're not cleaning.
Yeah. Taylor, I learned that when Adler's
Daniel.
If you're not cleaning, you might have to.
Flipping right at each other.
Oh, you're that.
This one, this one.
Right here, that bottom door, number 4.
The scoops go here.
Below.
Sit.
They go here.
Oh, this is
Are you still mad at me, Paige?
Sit.
I put this away. Jeez.
I'm not talking to you. Take your stuff off and put it away.
Alex, is this in the bag on your
Paige, does this go in
Have
the?
somebody hang it up.
Do you want to get a paper towel?
I got, never mind, I got it.
Miss Schneider, has this ever been used?
Yes.
Yes.
What is it for?
It's to, if it's something smoking, you flip the switch and it vents it out of the building.
Young people, sit.
Back there. Faces the wall. There's like a
Your knee is your ACL.
There is tape and carrots up here.
The MCL goes underneath.
Right behind
And your
you.
ACL goes on top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know where
Top
you got
left,
the
you said?
ACLs when the-
What do you want to do here? Yeah, my dad tore both
I
at the
want
same time.
Excuse us.
Paige, you want you want carrot? I have a slight tear in this.
I'm going to guess that we have 2 people who are gone. So maybe we should put those
In the fridge.
in the fridge. In the teacher's lounge.
I can't.
I'm telling you, you can.
I'll do it for him.
Good, go.
You need a
Mr. Schneider, but I want the tongue.
There's a mess up here.
Yes, I know, I'm coming.
Jamin.
Yes.
Can we pick up your computer so we don't get any of that wax? So we can wipe this down.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Have you ever had a fire extinguisher, Schneider?
Yes.
Not that was completely out of control.
Who started the
It
fire?
was just a little out.
Lab notebook.
Who started the fire?
I don't remember.
Young people, here's what I noticed today.
Hey,
You guys, a lot of you failed to plan, and now you're going to be scrambling. Which is okay, because like Erica said, you don't do something right, you learn from it, and you do it better the next time. Okay? The other thing I've noticed is that a lot of you are not reading the entire directions in Edmodo. There's info in there. There's at least an hour-long video you have to watch.
and you were told at the beginning of this to read all of the directions more than once.
So make sure that you are doing that, because that's the kind of stuff you can do at home, is like watching that video, right? And if you need permit, like if somebody yells at you in school for watching a video, just let me know. I'll yell at them. Okay?
Yeah,
Hang on a minute, David. Huh? You put your coat on, all right? You can do things outside of class. In fact, some of you now have to, right? Tuesday, I'm taking your lab notebooks. That's not a day that we have class.
So we have to have.
You do not have Monday during class to work on this. So plan accordingly.
So is this due Tuesday, Mr. Schneider?
Tuesday.
Okay.
It's
Tuesday.
Dun, dun, dun. Details, kiddos.
And possibly some communication. Noticed that there was some people working really hard, but not necessarily working together really hard.
Yes, Miss Erica.
Where are the bottles that we use our
Garbage bag right back there under the lab table. Way in this corner.
And remember, your designs need to be approved.
Mr. Schneider approved mine
Do
yesterday.
we need class time to do that or not? Where are you going to be right after dinner?
Taking the next
I'll be in the library.
You will be?
At 1:50, I'm watching Spanish, so I'll be in there.
And I'll be at home. And my phone won't be very far away from me.
At 3:30, I'm gonna text you.
Why?
Actually, 3:35. I have to see what I'm missing. I'm on strict orders.
I'm going to tell you to go to Edmodo.
Is
And
there a class in here right after? So just.
I would
if
say-
it says turn in, you didn't turn it in. If it says turned in waiting, it's turned in and hasn't been graded yet.
But there's no
If it
reason.
says
Have you
turned
talked
in,
to Mrs.
graded,
Duckweiler to see
and
if
it's
you
been
can't work
turned
on
in
that
and
lab
graded.
table?
Okay, we could do that.
There you go.
Daniel, is your soil in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at you solving problems.
I get first dibs on it.
Do you have any potting soil left?
Yeah, where are the seeds?
Where are the
No.
Am I allowed
The potting
to
soil
use
here,
soil then?
Seeds are in there.
Am I allowed to use Daniel's soil then?
Is it the same variable?
No.
Just reuse your soil you already have.
Yeah, 'cause it's dry.
Oh yeah, 'cause I did nothing.
I can't do
But
that.
you know
though.
what? Here, that's a really good thing that just happened, because here's the deal. She's sitting there kind of freaking out now because she hears, no, we don't have one of the things that you absolutely need to have in order to go about doing that. She voiced it out loud to about 12 other people, and all of a sudden somebody else had a suggestion for her. Don't be afraid to do that. Somebody somewhere is going to have an idea. It might be completely ludicrous, but it might be helpful.
And we can only change one thing.
Correct.
Why do you suppose we have that computer here?
So Mrs. Keller will help us.
Because Mrs. Keller knows stuff that I don't. And Mr. Schneider does.
Mr. Schneider.
Well, Mr. Schneider's is crazy.
And plus,
And Mr.
I said
Schneider.
Mr. Schneider.
Mr. Schneider, what do you want me to return this? The tongue.
Put it back in there when you're done with it today.
Alright.
For my modified,
God!
More what?
Yes, ma'am.
So you changed
Can
the
you
two
approve
colors?
my design?
I don't know.
Did your
Might
plant
suck.
grow?
Yeah.
Why are you
Why are you
adding
changing
more
it? What are you changing?
I'm not changing it. I'm just getting a set of duct tape. I'm gonna use
Like at the
clear
beginning
tape
of
so
the
I can
long
actually see
conversation,
my plant.
Okay, do you have that written down
and
somewhere?
then as I kept going, there was like nothing towards the end.
Write that down.
Something you
Okay.
didn't
Do you think
Where
that the
did the
duct
water
tape
go?
did something to affect
Did
the
it get
plant?
out?
No, I just so then I can see it
But
better
it
because
was
my
just
plants
really
were
low
perfectly
when
fine.
you
It's just
made
I couldn't.
Did you get 3 plants?
Well, yeah, kind of.
Okay.
What does that mean?
Well, I had
And you know it
2
was going
plants,
up
and
through
then
the
I
rope.
had one starting
Yeah.
to
The
grow,
rope was doing its
but
job.
That was the only way it
we
could
started.
get.
Alright,
then
yep.
I started
Add that
So
to
you
your
don't need
plan
more
and life
rope
will
or
be
different
good.
rope.
Okay. Mrs. Schneider, can I just use that same
Okay.
bottle, but the way I'm gonna modify it is put
Do I need to?
fix
Yes.
something.
Do you want
Change
me
the
to
plan.
write in her notebook that I approved her plan?
No, that's okay.
Okay.
I trust her. Most of the time.
Most of the time. All right. Heather has 15%. That'll last through a debrief.
Oh, cool.
We're gonna run around and